at the beginning of this video. Today's video is sponsored by Gforce Racing. They sent me basically all the safety stuff I need for the car, so seatbelts, racing jacket, and a helmet. So I wanted to say a huge thank you to Gforce Racing and Danilo over at Gforce Racing for sponsoring the Nova. So I opened the box up to kind of get rid of the address and stuff. But there's my harnesses. I also got my racing suit, and then last but not least, I got my racing helmet. Alright guys, so the part I'm most excited about, because the Nova needs it the most, is the Gforce Camlock style harness. These are sweet. I've had latch and link harnesses, but these are sweet because look at the action on that baby. How could you not like that? So these are their 5-point harnesses. I think I'm just going to use the 4-point. If I have to, I will use the 5-point. But these are sweet, and I don't know. That's worth it to me. Those latch and link ones, they can be a little rough sometimes, especially when you're trying to do stuff fast. Whereas this, you just put it on, and when you want to take it off, you clip it off. So these are badass. If you have a race car that needs some seatbelts, you need these. The next thing I got is the racing suit jacket. So this is their 3-layer, basically, jacket. See how it fits. Fits pretty good. But yeah, if you're racing, and because I have nitrous on the car, you need something like this to keep you safe from a fire. I don't know how many seconds this gives me, but it's worth it. You definitely don't want to cheap out on safety equipment. Like, this could be like the difference in your life basically. So you want to pay top dollar, and you want to get nice stuff. So like, again, go check out Gforce Racing for your stuff. This jacket's pretty sweet, but it is hot as hell, so I'm gonna take it off. I think I want to get this thing like embroidered. I gotta see if I can. I don't know if it'll take away some sort of rating or something, but that is the racing jacket. And then I also got a helmet. So again, because the Nova has a roll cage, you have to have a helmet. I think I'll probably run fast enough where I actually need a helmet. So this is pretty sweet. I'm really excited about this. It's gonna make my head look even bigger than it already is. And I got a big ass head. Shut this on. So I got this in black. I'm hoping that Weddle will paint it for me. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I haven't even told him, so if you're watching this, Weddle, will you paint it for me? But yeah, look at that. It's like I'm on the stick. Oh man, fits me pretty good. I got a big ass head, so this is pretty sweet. I'll have to put the whole suit up on in a minute once we install the seatbelts. This is the helmet. Go check out Gforce Racing. I'll link all their stuff in the description. Again, huge shout out to Danilo and Gforce Racing for sponsoring the Nova. I'm gonna try to get a discount code, so if I do, I'll put it up. But if not, go check out Gforce Racing. Blow them up to show, because I'm super thankful for this stuff, and I really appreciate it. And it's another step to getting this thing actually at a racetrack faster. So thank you, Gforce Racing. But let's install the seatbelts. Let me lay these things out. Alright, so when you do this legitly, you should probably have a little spot on the cage, but my cage doesn't have that, so I'm just going to reuse the stock holes, and then I will wrap those around like they are here. I know the bar is too low, it should be a lot higher, but I don't think I'll run fast enough where I need a cage, and if I do, at that point, that's when we'll cut this thing out. Or at the very least, cut these bars out and make new ones. But hopefully, let's do this real quick. You can come from here, this side if you want. These are the ones that are gonna suck. Got the lap part on, which is pretty sweet. So give it a try before we try the to do the harness bars. Alright, let's see. So yeah, like I said, these are sweet because you just lash them. That is it. Boom. So call that gooch, and then I'll get my bars for the top right now. Those are sweet. That is money right there. The action on that baby. Alright guys, so yeah, got the harnesses all put together. We're kind of running out of daylight here, so I'll probably come back a little bit later. One more thing, I almost forgot. You gotta throw the sticker on.
Nice wipe down.
Thank you, man. You know, you always gotta throw the sticker. You spend all the money on the parts for your free sticker. Bang. Hey guys, so I just thought I'd show you with me in with my seatbelts on and everything. I got everything all mounted perfectly. I got the jacket on too. I'm super stoked. Again, huge shout out to Gforce Racing. The Nova is just one step closer to getting to a racetrack. So again, if you guys need any safety equipment, Gforce has everything. I will link all their stuff in the description. I also flash their like Instagram and their website up. Check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys next time.